Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you something that's honestly mind-blowing if you love creative tools like I do. Imagine this, you have a video clip with no sound, completely silent, and you want to bring it to life with just words. No complicated editing, no sound design skills needed. Just type what's happening, and boom, realistic sound effects are added for you. Sounds too good to be true? Well, not anymore. I'm talking about a free online tool called MMAudio, and I'll be dropping the link for it in the description below. It's hosted on Hugging Face, and it's probably one of the simplest and smartest audio generation tools out there. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, go to the website. Head over to this link. https://huggingface.co/spaces/hkachingrex/mmaudio. Once the page loads, you'll see a super clean and simple layout. No signups, no confusion. Just straight up creativity waiting to happen. Step 2, upload your video. Click on the Upload Video button. You can drag and drop a video, or just select one from your device. I tried out a few different scenes to see how flexible it really is. Here are some examples I used. A peaceful beach during sunset. A wide shot of a desert with nothing but sand and sky. The majestic pyramids of Egypt. This tool is a total game changer. So yeah, from silent footage to fully immersive soundscapes, all in just a few clicks. That's the power of MMAudio. I've linked the website in the description, so go try it out and tell me what kind of scenes you created. I'm genuinely curious.